Hi everyone. Today I'm doing another alcohol ink painting. I'm going to be doing a flower and I'm going to be using Piñata Magenta and white, Piñata white. I'm going to be thinning my magenta down with, I have thinned my magenta down with some alcohol in here. So I'm going to be using that because I don't want it too strong. Just a hint of the magenta with the white flower. I'm going to be using this to blow. This is a, it's called a rocket. Anyway, it's called a rocket air pump. We'll put the name of it in the description of my video. I have a respirator on. Excuse me. I have a respirator on once I start using the alcohol because the fumes aren't good to breathe. I have a window open in here as well. I'm going to be using for the center these are acrylic markers. This one's white and I've got black. I don't know if I'm going to be just using white or both. I might use both. So that's it really. I will begin and I'm going to be doing a voiceover for the rest of this. Okay, I'm starting by adding the white and then the magenta, adding a couple of dots of white. And then blowing it with the air pump, blowing it out. And I'll just go around a little, all the way around to till I meet up with the other one, and then work my way in. I'm doing the same thing all the way around. I forgot to mention that the canvas, I'm working on a canvas. I painted it with black acrylic paint. It's Artist Loft soft body paint. Let that dry, and now I'm just going over top of that. It pretty much, you only get a couple of pumps out of the pump, and you can't move it anymore. If I was using alcohol, adding more alcohol to it, I might be able to get it to move more, but since it's on a canvas, I don't know if that will work. Usually you use Yupo paper or some kind of plastic paper, or you can use do it over tiles or glass. And if you add alcohol ink to the paint, like to the alcohol, the color, after you put it down or before, it lets it spread more, and then you can move it around, but you can't move it around on this. I haven't tried adding more alcohol and seeing if it will move around, but I might try that another time. All right, I'm going to go around I think one more time and then add a little bit more inside. So I'm going to stop talking now, and I will put a little bit of background music on. Now I'm going to do the center with, I'm going to start off with black and then finish off with white. Just wanted to show you the markers that I'm going to be using. That's the white and black. And I'm going to, I just realized that I could probably use silver. My silver, I have silver and gold in these pens. So I'm going to try and see what silver looks like over the black. Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up. Okay. There you go then. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now. See you in my next video, hopefully.